what's the shortcuts to select data? So say, for example, I wanted to select everything starting at this cell here, mid-market, and I want to go all the way down, and sometimes I run out of mouse. I'm still going all the way down and then all the way over. It's a bit finicky. So I want to show you keyboard shortcuts for selecting. So I'm just going to go back to where we were, which was the mid-market cell, C19. I know that Ctrl Down Arrow will bring me to the bottom of this column, but it doesn't select anything as I go there. It just repositions me. What I want to do is select everything as I move down and as I move to the right. So instead of pressing the Control key, press the Control and Shift key simultaneously. So Control and Shift, both are pressed down. While they're both pressed, use your directional arrows on your keyboard, down arrow and right arrow. And now release when you're finished, and that's everything selected. So then you can go right-click copy or whatever you want to do with the data, or use the data to create a pivot table or whatever is your requirement. When you select data and you see this moving cursor or dancing ants, as some people call them, press your escape key on your keyboard to get rid of that. I'm back to my cell C19. If I would like to select everything above and to the left of that cell, it doesn't matter. Again, it's the same principle. Hold down the Control and Shift key, up arrow, left arrow. So it has selected everything based on the direction that I'm moving. Again, to deselect, click in any cell that's not currently selected. Let's say, for example, everything in this record here was incorrect. I needed to update all of those values. I could manually select it as I've just done, or alternatively, start at your selections point, i.e. cell, in this case cell C19. I need to select and navigate at the same time. So I hold down both keys, Control and Shift. And then simply, I only want to go in one direction, so I'm going to go right arrow. And then maybe I'm going to delete or whatever I want to do at that point. So that's basically an overview of the selection and navigation shortcuts.